What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI Stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we caught this movement to the downside that happened basically from the beginning of this year, from January the 3rd till present day. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you the reason of this news and what might be the next potential bullish catalyst for this asset for upcoming several weeks. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you how you can benefit out of its next potential movement. So, and let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point when this asset hit about $8.2 mark, and my main assumption was that we have quite harsh movement to the downside, during which this asset lost about 23% of its value. And I've told you that we didn't have proper subdivision of this movement, and we have to see a bounce, but this bounce should land at the ranges of about, if you pull the fib retracement tool from the top to the bottom, we might land at 0.236 and 0.382. But my main assumption was that we don't have any signs of confirmation of trend reversal, and I've told you that we are nearing the trend reversal point, and this means we might have another leg to the downside that will retest at least $7.8 mark. And as you can see, guys, we are exactly at this point. We have a tiny bounce. Let me show you this movement in details. The lowest point that this asset hit is $7.81, and I have to say that we are nearing the crucial point, and I will show you what you should expect from this asset within just next several minutes. So, and let's take a look on the news. And first of all, let me show you this article that was published 2 days ago. And it's titled, "Why Wall Street May Soon Turn Back to Bullish on SOFI Stock. Investors bullish on fintech disruption of traditional banking may want to take advantage of the latest round of weakness with SOFI Stock." And here is the bullet points. Once again, SOFI Technology shares are encountering weakness for a variety of reasons. However, the next round of business could be just few weeks away. On an even longer time frame, continued growth could lead to above average revenue growth and outsized earnings growth, resulting in a further move toward past price levels for SOFI stock. And guys, why this company lost a lot of its value basically from the beginning of this year? The main reason is quite negative forecast that was published. Let me show you. That was published by Keefe, Bruyett and Woods. They reiterated ratings, set it to underperform from market perform, and they set a price target. They reduced the price target from $7.5 all the way down to $6.5. And definitely this reason, let me show you right here. They have basically two reasons why they thought SOFI should go lower. First of all, they believe SOFI's run-up since its last earnings report on October 30 was overdone. Second, they believe that interest rate cuts may be as much of a headwind for the neobank as they are tailwind. This is because of the way SOFI packages and sells loans. And I have to say that I partially agree with this statement because, first of all, I have to say that when the asset has a quite significant movement to the upside from the end of November till the end of December, they gained about 61% to its value. They have to have some kind of retracement, and it happened. But the bullish point of the entire situation is following. The next earnings report, let me show you, will be published on Monday, January 29th, 2023. And we will have some details in regards to their profitability. And guys, I have to admit that SOFI has a quite strong position. Potentially, they will disclose the information that they are already profitable, or they will disclose the upcoming profitability in this earnings report. And this date, mark your calendars on January 29th, this date might be the major pivotal point for this asset. But so far, we are still in some kind of downtrend, and I have to say that this movement still has to have a retracement, and in a long-term perspective, I have no doubts. SOFI will skyrocket for, let me show you, by the way, the forecast from this article that they predict, let me show you, further indication that this fintech will meet or better beat these forecasts and could help shares climb back to levels last hit during 2021. $15, $20, even over $25 per share. And guys, it is quite bold predictions. It is just round numbers, 15, 20, and 25. But if you take a look on the technical analysis, well, by the way, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, from the technical standpoint, all round numbers are potential ranges of support and resistances. As you can see, $10 mark was the range of resistance right here and right here. 10.5 mark was the range of resistance right here. Next one. Here we didn't hit $12 round number, but from the lower side we also have about $4 mark that was the range of support. And all of these ranges might act as the ranges of support and resistances. And on a bigger scale, if we zoom out to a daily time frame and turn off all the tools that we don't need right now, we have a quite significant decrease in its price from its 3 recent peaks at $24.73. And we have quite long consolidation phase right here that lasts for more than 432 days. And for now, we are trying to form higher highs and higher lows, because let me show you from this bottom, this is the lowest point of this asset. We have basically 3 highs, higher highs, and we have 2 higher lows. And it is a huge channel. If we connect, let me turn on the tools, and you can see some kind of mess right here because of the scale of this chart. But in grand schema thing, we have, if we connect this, let's start from this bottom. If we connect these bottoms with these tops and adjust this tool to meet all the requirements, potentially we have this as our channel. Let me show you this in detail. So we have a touch right here, we have the second touch right here. We have this breakout above this range of resistance. Well, let's adjust it a little bit. Let's put it this way. But these 2 candles is nothing else but a false breakout. We have this breakout, and then the very next day it went below the range of resistance. And for now, as you can see, we are nearing again this range of support, and potentially somewhere here in the ranges in between, let me show you more thoroughly, in the ranges in between, depending on its price action, $7.3 and $7.5, we might have this trend reversal. And if this asset breaks this previous bottom, as I mentioned in my previous video, we definitely will hit at least $7.5. And these ranges, let me mark it like this, these ranges might be the range of accumulation if you want to enter and if you want to catch the next movement to the upside, that potentially will bring you up to, let me show you like this, up to 20% in the medium term perspective. But so far I have to admit that we are still in downtrend, and do not try to catch falling knife, just wait for more confirmation. And the confirmation will be an establishing on a smaller time frames, higher highs and higher lows. And I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium